The Institute of Entrepreneurship Development is a Greek NGO located in the city of Larissa in central Greece. We have founded our organization in 2005, and our main purpose, as the name states, is the promotion and development of entrepreneurial spirit and culture. I would like to say a few words about green entrepreneurship and how our organization promotes this, let's call it, emerging sector of economy. Throughout our experience and lifetime of our organization, we have implemented several private initiatives for the promotion of green entrepreneurship and initiatives within European projects that we implement as an organization. Also, we promote green entrepreneurship as an alternative for fighting youth unemployment, which of course, as you may know, the rates are very high in Greece, and we strongly believe that it's a good alternative for young people to be involved in employment and especially in entrepreneurship. Also, we have developed several training courses and training materials in order to train several target groups, young people and other stakeholders on green entrepreneurship. And of course, we support green enterprises in order to ensure their sustainable growth and their viability. So I think these are some key actions in order to promote and support green entrepreneurship that any organization similar to ours can implement. Both green entrepreneurship and green manufacturing and circular economy as emerging economic sectors as they are, I think they will develop opportunities for new job creations, and I think that the main fields that these jobs will be in research for innovation and new technologies. Also will be in the application of green technologies in manufacturing, and I think the most important thing and focusing on green and manufacturing will be that it can work as an alternative for fighting the vast crisis that the manufacturing sector in Greece is facing. Because all traditional professions in manufacturing are now in a deep crisis. So green manufacturing can be an alternative for civil engineers, mechanics, and engineers in general in order to grow their business. Thank you for this opportunity, and congratulations for the company.